How is it going every day? It's actually a cold day, but it's midway of the week after the race. This is Wednesday. So the car's actually stripped, the front end's off it, and we've straightened up all the slam panel and stuff on the other side. So that's all straightened up. There's a couple of bits cracked and stuff, so we're just going to go ahead and get them welded up tonight. That's basically the only goal for the night. Alistair's been doing a lot of the panels that are broken and stuff, so he's been repairing all that, which is good. Obviously we're at Ford Live next weekend, so we're kind of short on time, so I'll show you where we're at, but I also need to crack it. Obviously all the front end's basically off, it's just right back to here, so I've had all this repaired, all this was all bent in, and this front end was down, so it's all back up, repaired. There's a couple of bits that have cracked and stuff, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I'm just going to go ahead and get all these welded up, and I've also got the bumper mount to go back on the front of the chassis leg there. Apart from that, that was really the only damage that was done, apart from just bodywork. Because it's fiberglass, it just does what it does basically. The rear bumper's taken a wee hit as well, so that'll need to get repaired, and obviously the front bumper's in here just in a million pieces. This is another bumper, and that's just the splitter and stuff off it. The bonnet and stuff's through there. Alistair's been working the day trying to, well, not trying, he is repairing the bumper and the wing and stuff, so he's got loads of that more or less done, and the headlight and that's all fixed. So we're definitely on track, but we've got this today, the Camel motor today, and also the Focus touring car, so we're going to be taking that to live as well. So we'll try to get this done as fast as we can so we can work on the two of them as well. How is it going every day? I'm obviously here at the escort. This is a Friday morning, so Ford Live's Sunday, Ford Live's 2 days away, and as you can see the escort's still not ready. But what we have done, I'll quickly just show you what we've all done. I've done a lot and no filmed anything. I've just really been stuck for time. I'm making another video as well. I don't know if that will be out before this or not, so I'll not say what it is, which is a wee bit exciting. And obviously we're getting the Camel motor ready as well. It's sitting over there, and the Focus is gone as well, which is up at the unit but should be coming down the day. And just with work and stuff, just been really busy, so no really had a chance to video in it. But I'll quickly show you where we are with this, and then just explain what's happening and get it hopefully finished this morning. So the front end here, I don't know if you're going to seen it in the last video, but the front end here was actually pushed back and down, and this was actually in the tyre. So this has all been straightened up obviously and painted again. That's just the bulb. Sorry, this is all straightened, painted, ready to go. This mount and stuff was all ripped off as well. So that's all fixed, that's all good to go, it's painted. Just needs a quick blow off to get all the catalloy dust off it. I don't know why I said catalloy dust, there's no catalloy on that. Oh, it's off the wing. Aye. Sorry. Tyres, these are obviously my wheels. We've put Hoosiers on them, which are notoriously terrible, but that's all we had at the minute. So we'll do for Ford Live, because these are the slicks we bought. I don't know if you can remember this. At the last race we bought these slicks, brand new. I was quite upset about it, and this, I don't know if you can remember, we had issues with the front right, which is obviously the one getting all the heat in the first race. So we went and bought another tyre because we thought we'd maybe picked up a bit of something off the motor for crashing it obviously. And then in the second race it's done it again. It's just obviously too hot for it. So that's only 11-12 laps or something whatever we do in a race. And obviously that tyre's done. That was brand new. So a wee bit pissed about that. It needs a wheels for the Focus. We've just put a set of AO48s on them. So we got all the tyres sorted out yesterday, and up here is all the panels after the escort. So obviously everything's all repaired, bonnet's all repaired, bumpers, headlights, grills, the wing, everything's all done and good to go. This is actually a new bumper. I'm really sad about this, but this is a new bumper. Obviously this is same style, so I'm not really going to know, but we've not got a splitter anymore, and it looks a wee bit different. It's not exactly the same bumper, but it's still a WRC style bumper. But I wanted to repair the old one, but Alistair didn't. He reckoned it would just be more cost effective and quicker to replace it. The old one has been with us forever, so I'm a wee bit nostalgic about it. But hey ho. So I'm going to go ahead and get these fitted up this morning and take it from there. Hopefully get all these finished. And obviously this is good to go. We've just done the final wee touches on it, so catch can and that's all. Sorry, that's not catch can, it's the breather. Catch cans are there, but everything's all done on this. This is all ready to go. It's just getting cleaned up, and that's it basically. So that's ready to go, and the Focus should be coming in the day as well. Yeah. So I have really skipped ahead. We were running out of time just because we are taking 3 cars. It was really quite time strapped. I had made another video that should be going up probably the day, or tomorrow, or yesterday. They'll be going up around about the same time as each other. The Focus, which is in there. But as you can see, the Escort's totally back together. It's all ready to go. Just need to put the passenger seat in it, and that's totally ready to go. So I'll quickly show you that in a minute, and I'll just explain what else we're doing. So obviously, the Focus is here. Let's go. That'll be the same video. There's loads of bits been done to that, but it'll be the same video. Obviously, that's just got the oil to change in it, and that's ready to go. And the camel car is out here. So we're all ready to go. All ready to go. More or less. So I'll quickly just show you the orange one now, which is, as I said, all totally repaired, and I think it looks good. As I say, you wouldn't really ever know again. So great job for it. And obviously the front bumper's on different clippy bits now. We've got a couple of Ford stickers to go on the side, and the back bumper's also got pins on it now as well. Just sort of holds it up, because I was sick of people complaining about that bumper gap. So that's that. So that's it, ready to go more or less. So I'll probably just end this video here. It might be a short video, but as I said, there should be 2 videos either going up the same day or a day apart, so it should make up for it, hopefully. And then obviously be another video starting next week at Ford Live. The 2 or 3 well, obviously the 3 of them will be here, but I don't know what will be happening with filming and stuff, so there'll be a couple of them in the video anyway. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like and comment and all the other stuff.